In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder columns in Monday.com. Now, if you're familiar with project management tools, you know that organizing your information effectively can make all the difference. Reordering columns in Monday.com is a simple way to customize your board to suit your workflow best and keep everything in line with your team's priorities. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Monday.com account. This is where all the action begins. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you'd like to reorder the columns. This could be anything from a project tracker or a content calendar to a client CRM. The choice is yours, and it all depends on the particular project or task you're managing at the moment. Now that you're on your board, take a moment to locate the column headers at the top. These headers, like item name, status, people, timeline, represent different fields of information for each of your items. Understanding the layout is crucial as you're going to be shifting these around next. Next, it's time to zero in on the specific column you want to move. Hover your mouse pointer over the column header you've chosen, say owner or due date, and when you're ready, click and hold on the column title. This action essentially selects the column for relocation. With your mouse button still held down, it's time to move that column. Drag the header left or right across your board. As you do this, you should notice a blue highlight line that indicates precisely where your column will land after you release it. This visual guide helps you see exactly how your columns will reshuffle once you're done, which is super handy for avoiding any mix-ups. Once you've dragged the column to your desired spot, release the mouse button. Just like that, your column has been relocated to its new position. Your board now reflects your preferred column order, making life just a bit more convenient. A handy tip to remember, you can reposition columns anywhere on the board, whether that's right next to the item name on the far left or all the way to the far right. Your layout preference is entirely up to you and how you find it easiest to visualize your data. That's it. You've successfully reordered your columns on Monday.com, making for a cleaner, more intuitive workspace that matches your team's needs. Reorganizing your board in this way doesn't just help with aesthetics, but also enhances functionality, letting you prioritize the information that matters most. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Monday.com.